Hello guys, I'm going to go over the next few pages in our reading packet that we're going to, not our reading, my goodness, in our science packet that we're working on, just to kind of explain if you need some clarification or a little bit confused from the instructions on Canvas. So this first page is the front card sort page. You are going to cut along all of these dashed lines and cut out each of these cards. Okay, these cards are not in the correct order, and you need to put them in the correct order. So this is the names card. So the names card is, you're going to glue these down first. So you're going to take each of these once they're cut out, and you're going to glue it. And I know the things didn't copy very well. So this first column is name. So you're going to glue those cards down here. After you glue the cards down here, the name of the, then you need to glue the correct, oops, sorry, we're upside down. Then you need to glue the correct symbol for that. And these ones, sorry, right here, these ones are the symbols for them. So the stationary front, this is not the symbol for the stationary front. So you need to find the correct symbol for the stationary front, and you're going to glue it next to the word stationary front on this side. So this page, you can take out your cards, you can take those out all the way. And then you're going to glue it here. So this will be the name stationary front. And then right here is where you'll glue down the correct symbol. And then the correct description and the correct weather. And these, oops, there we go again, upside down. So these will be in the correct order. Again, remember they're not in the correct order right now. So you're going to cut out each one. Make sure you color these ones. These are the names. This is the description. And then this is the weather. All right. Our next assignment that you're going to do tomorrow is now you're going to read weather maps, because now you have all the information. You know what type of weather is associated with a warm front and a cold front and high pressure and low pressure. So now you're going to read the weather map. Make sure you look at the legend or the key right here, and it will kind of let you know some information. So you're going to answer each of these questions for the next 3 pages. And you're going to answer the questions based on the weather map and what you've learned about fronts. Pay attention to what direction they're moving, what direction are the arrows or the circles pointing, and what type of weather is associated. Definitely look back at your card sort activity or the flippables that you've made. If you can't quite remember, oh, I can't remember if a stationary front is bad weather or good weather, go back and review it. Same thing here. So now the key right here will help you a lot when you have to fill out the temperature. Make sure to read the directions and follow along. And then this is the last one for, I guess we're not here on, yeah, this is the last one for that day. So then the next day this week, you're going to read about hurricanes. This has all the information that you need to answer along as you read. So read and learn about those awesome hurricanes. I guess they're not awesome if you're in the hurricane, but they're kind of pretty fascinating what weather can do. Then the last thing we're going to do this week, the last thing for Thursday, is you get to be the meteorologist. Now you know how to read weather maps, and you know all the information about fronts and pressure. So you get to be the meteorologist. You're going to pick any of the 5 cities. All the cities are here in bold. So you get to pick which 5 you want to report the weather on. And here's where you're going to write your report for the weather. If you want to have fun, do a little Weather Channel video and videotape yourself if you want, or just do it to your family and report the weather for the day. Then there's a fun little video there if you'd like to watch about what the national meteorologists do and what kind of cool tools and resources they have. You don't have to watch the video, it is optional, but it's kind of a fun little tidbit. And that will be everything for this packet. Have a wonderful week and a great spring break. Enjoy the week off. Hopefully you're all caught up. We'll talk to you guys later.